Hello students, good evening everyone. I hope all are doing well. Welcome to Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. This is me Surya, your chemistry faculty from Infinity Learn. Hi Arush, good evening. Okay, today in this session we are going to discuss about the best books for chemistry foundation, right? Some of you are already requested for the best books for the foundation chemistry. That's why there is no any concept classes today. I'm just giving the brief idea about the books you need to cover for the foundation as well as NEET JEE perspective. Or if you're going for the NTSE or any Olympiad exams, you can refer these books here. Okay, I hope I'm audible, right? So those who are watching the session, just mark your attendance here. Hi all, welcome to the session. Now, do you have any idea about the books? Okay, notes plus NCERT plus one reference book, it is enough. We have more options to learn from the books, right? NCERT is our Bible. We can use our NCERT. Yes, we will discussing about that. So notes is main thing, then NCERT, then one reference book is already fine for your board examinations. I mean for the CBSE board examination. And some other books are also, if you are preparing for JEE NEET in future, right? JEE NEET or for any Olympiad exams, we will be discussing more books here. Let us see what is our first book, right? Okay, all are familiar with this page, right? This image. This is a complete science book for the grade 10. As you already know, this including bio, chemistry and physics, right? So here in the case of chemistry, we need to focus 4 chapters, right? As you already seen, this is our official board book. Okay, in the case of this textbook, we are going to focus on the 4 chapters, right? We have already covered these 4 chapters, right? Chemical reactions and equation, acids, bases and salts, metals and non-metals, and carbon and its compounds. These are 4 important chapters you need to prepare from this NCERT textbook. Okay, you can use your own, you can refer short notes that you are making here depending on your choice, and NCERT is the first point if you are preparing for if you want to improve your basics from the chemistry, not only for the chemistry, for the complete science you can use the NCERT textbook. After that we can use the other reference book, right? Okay, moreover that the second book is the, I hope you are familiar with this thing, right? Chemistry Foundation by Lakshmi Singh and Manjit Kaur. Maybe some of you are getting idea about this book, right? So here it is the concept building with the solved examples, right? You can get the solved examples here. If you want to revise the topics for the chemistry, you can refer this book. Some of the topic-wise solutions along with the solutions and the questions are provided in this book. So you can just refer from the MCQs, multiple choice questions are there. HORS means high perspective thinking skill. Optical thinking skill, value based question and assertion reason type question. So if you are preparing for higher level examination like Olympiads or JEE or NEET in future, you can use this book for the revision or the solving more problems. Then what will be the another book? I think some of you are already mentioned this book, right? Yes, Pearson Foundation series for chemistry grade 10. Especially it is specifically used for the JEE NEET foundation level. So this is our base level, right? Foundation is the base level for the JEE or NEET. If you want to prepare for JEE or NEET for JEE mains as well as advanced for the future level, you need to start your basis from the foundation level, right? So this is the right thing or this is the right book you need to cover for in order to build your foundation skills here, right? So what are the topics included here? This is the topic-wise theory. Depending upon the topics you are studying in the state syllabus or the CBSE syllabus, you can take the topic-wise theory here. And there is a level-based exercises depending upon the topics by the level basis. Maybe the JE main level, JE advanced level or NEET level, you can get the more exercise over there. Then Olympiad type questions is also available there in this book. So you can just purchase this book from the Amazon or Flipkart. It is already available. So this is a very good book for the foundation series for chemistry. Maybe some of you are not, it's not very aligned with NCERT syllabus because it is used only for the JE NEET foundation level. You can accept questions from the NCERT syllabus also. Moreover that you are getting more JE NEET questions. So if you start solving from the nowadays itself, it will be very easy to crack the JE or NEET in the first attempt. Arush. Now what about this book? Is there anyone using this book? MTG Foundation. MTG Foundation course for chemistry grade 10. This is our book. There will be different editions are there. I think this is the edition 2023. Again, it is used for the school syllabus as well as Olympiad, NTSE or NEET or JE level in the layered format like school corner format, competitive corner, and higher order thinking skills that I already mentioned there, HORS, right? Higher order thinking skills and practice papers. This is also one of the important book you can refer for the pre-foundation, right? If you are preparing for the NEET or JE level, you can refer these books. Again, more our questions, the subject-wise questions are there. I mean, topic-wise questions are there, solutions are there. You can refer these books for the foundation preparation for that. If you are preparing for the Olympiad exams or NTSE, JE or NEET in future, it will be really helpful for you. Okay, is there anyone using this book? Arush, right now I have no idea about that. And these type of books you can purchase from Flipkart or Amazon, you will get directly. And the last one, it is the ARAN All-in-One Foundation Chemistry Class 10. Maybe some of you are familiar with this book, right? This is the fully revised for ICSE exams. Or you can prepare for the CBSE exams also. But we are giving here simplified theory, right? Depending upon the topic, there will be simplified theories present. Topic and chapter exercise. Depending upon the chapter, they are giving the exercise along with their solution. And exam pattern questions. Based on the CBSE exam, they will be provided the exam pattern questions. CBSE as well as ICSE exams. And specimen and sample papers. You can get the sample papers over there. So if you are preparing for, if you want to prepare more for the chemistry, if you want to start your basis from the chemistry, you can start preparing from these books, reference book. And moreover, I am repeating again, the first preference will be goes to your NCERT textbook. You can just start the basics from the NCERT textbook itself. Then you can refer your own short notes while you are watching the recorded session or while you are watching your classes, or while you are taking your classes, you will be making your own short notes, right? So short note is very important. Just refer short notes after that NCERT. Then take any one of the reference book that I have given here. Okay, I hope you understand. So is there any doubt regarding the books given here? Anyone? I have taken only 5 important books. First one is our NCERT textbook or the science textbook. Next one is the MTG Foundation. Then Lakshmi Singh books, right? S10 Foundation books. Then third one is about the Pearson test series. Pearson test series is very important. The last one, ARAN All-in-One Foundation series. And just giving a brief summary about that, you can see, right? If you want to prepare for the board exam plus basic concepts, start from our NCERT textbook. Science textbook is including both bio, chemistry and physics, right? Then along with Lakshmi Singh, for the first book I have given in the first slide, right? Lakshmi Singh book, you can refer further. Then if you want to prepare for JE or NEET foundation, right? JE or NEET foundation, as we already know, whenever you have a very basic foundation there, you can easily crack the NEET or JE in the first attempt, right? So you can use the MTG Foundation, the second book I have shown, and the Pearson Foundation series. Then what about the case of NTSE or Olympiads? If you are preparing for the Olympiads or NTSE, you can use the ARAN All-in-One series, then NCERT Exemplar and MTG Foundation. Repeating, So the last one, school exams or the competitive line, you can use the remaining books, Pearson or MTG or ARAN in one hand. Okay, if you want to prepare for grade 11 or 12, the first thing you have to focus on the NCERT. You can start your basis from NCERT only. That is the basic idea giving there. Moreover that, if you are preparing for the JEE or NEET, you can refer the higher books like that. Okay, if you want to get an idea, I will prepare another session for the grade 11 class also. I mean, books required for the grade 11 also, if you want. Okay, Arush, I hope you understand, right? Grade 11 also, grade 11 and 12 also, you can start from the basics in the NCERT textbook itself. From these books, we can't compare with the books, right? It's completely up to you. How do you feel about the questions or samples? It depends from person to person, right? Some of them may feel like that Pearson is very good, or some of them may feel that the MTG Foundation is very good. So it depends on your capability, right? How you are approaching the questions in there. Then do you have any doubt regarding any of the books given here? Again, I'm repeating, first start from your short notes, then after that go to your NCERT, then you can refer any of the 5 books I have given here. You can refer any of the 5 books given here. It completely depends upon you, right? You can take either Pearson Foundation, MTG Foundation, or ARAN Foundation, or Pearson Foundation, right? So 5 books are there. Lakshmi Singh is also very good. You can refer that book also for in order to improve your foundation skill. I mean, in order to improve your basis from the foundation itself. Then by concept wise, we have already completed all the chapters, right? We have already completed chemical reactions and equations, acid, bases and salts, metals and non-metals, and last chapter, right? Last chapter, carbon and its compounds also completed. Moreover that I have started a periodic table chapter, that is also we have completed. And do you need any suggestion? I mean, do you need any chapter one-shot revision or something? I can take the session. You can just give your comments here if you need any chapter for the one-shot revision. Chemical bonding, right? I think chemical bonding is not purely there in your syllabus for the CBSE exam point of view. If you need chemical bonding, I can take the chemical bonding, no issues. But you should attend the classes daily, right? I mean regularly. Our timing is from 5 to 6 for the Tuesday, Thursday and Friday. You should be attend the classes, then only it will be helpful for you to revise the topic. Chemical bonding, I can do that. Then metallurgy we have already done, no? Metals and non-metals. One of the part from the metals and non-metals is the metallurgy part. So we have already done. If you need more, I can take from some of the previous year questions from the metallurgy. Then periodic table also you need. Adrian. Okay, do you need periodic table complete one-shot revision or the previous year questions? Mole concept also you need. Okay, it is up to the grade 11 level. Okay, if you really need the session, I can take the session, but you need to attend the classes, right? So you should be attending throughout the classes. PYQs, okay, I will try to give the PYQs for the periodic table chapter in the upcoming sessions. So in the next class, I mean the Thursday, I am going to take the one-shot revision for the acid, bases and salts. Okay, JEE main level question, right? Some of you are making, maybe preparing for the JEE main exams or NEET exams. So I will be taking the JEE main level questions. Some of them I will take the NEET level questions also. From chapter 1 to 4. Which chapters? Okay, we have already completed the first chapter, controlled revision. One to four chapter, NTSE and Olympiads top quality question, right? Okay, let me try to cover all the topics you have given here. Okay, fine. I have got more suggestions here. I will try to cover all the topics given here in the upcoming sessions. And next class, I will be discussing about the acid base and salt for the one-shot revision. I mean the complete chapter 1 hour. And the upcoming session, I will be taking the remaining chapters. Like I will try to start with the chemical bonding. Then after that, I will be taking the PYQs for the periodic classification, right? Periodic table chapter. And we will try to, we have enough time now, we will try to cover all the chapters, previous year questions, including JEE as well as the NEET exam. So I think that is all from my side for today about the books. We have only very short content today. We are just discussing about the how to study fast. There is no any method to study fast. You should be work smartly, right? The first thing you have to keep in mind that if you love the subject, then only you will have the ability to learn the subject, right? If you are not any interest in the subject of chemistry, it's very difficult to learn the subject, right? So first start loving the subject. That is the only thing you have to do. Then start from the basics. So don't try to memorize all the things given in the NCERT textbook or the books given there, right? You need to try, think from your side, right? How it is happening, or what is the importance of this subject, or what is the importance of this. Okay. So what is the importance of this subject, why we are studying this. So start from the basic things. Don't try to memorize all the things. If you have any doubt, you can just refer many more books. So more resources are available there, right? So just try to understand the basics behind the chapter or behind the subject. Try to learn the subject by loving the subject. That's the only thing. There is no any smart trick to learn any subject to study, right? Atomic structure and IUPAC, right? Okay, I will try to cover all those things. So again, I am repeating, you should be here, right? During the live session, you need to attend the classes, then only I will get some motivation to take the sessions, right? Harush, you have already completed all the grade 11, 12 chapters, right? So along with these classes, you need to focus on your CBSE exams also, in your board exams also. Okay, that's all from my side for today. I hope you understand about the books. Repeating again, MTG Foundation is there, Pearson Foundation is there. Then Lakshmi Singh book is also there, ARAN, then NCERT. NCERT is the basics for the not only for chemistry, for all the science background. You are taking the NCERT or the other foundation reference books. Then your short notes you can use there, right? Then there is a general reminder about the SCORE series. Maybe you may aware about the SCORE series, right? Sri Chaitanya Academy is providing the SCORE series. It is an international level scholarship exam. The exam will be conducting on September 28 and October 12. Two exams will be available there. And more opportunities are given here, right? So 25 crore of cash rewards are giving here. NASA trips. They are providing the NASA trips for the top students. Exciting gadgets as well as the 100% of scholarships, right? So this is a real opportunity for you. So those who are from grade 3rd to 11, you can attend for the SCORE exam, right? There will be a website from the srichaitanyascore.com. You can register there, right? You can register your name and details there. You can choose either online exam or offline exam. So for online exam, you can just attend, register through our website, srichaitanyascore.com. Or if you want to attend the offline exam, you can go to the nearby offline center, Sri Chaitanya Offline Center. You can register from there. 2 exams are available there. First test is on the September 28. It is like a 1.5 hour session, I think. Then for second exam, if you miss the first exam, you can attend the exam on the October 12 also. 2 opportunities are there. So exciting opportunities are there. NASA trips, I'm repeating again, NASA trips are there. Exciting gadgets they are providing, up to 100% scholarship, right? So Chaitanya Academy is providing you the SCORE series. So don't miss to register now. You can just register now. description, website is given in the description box. You can register from there. And I think syllabus is already provided in the website. You can refer the syllabus there. For grade 10, I think specified topics are there. You can refer the topics from the website given there. Okay, I think it is clear for everyone. So don't miss the opportunity. Try to register right now. Exam date is on September 28, 1.5 hour exam session. And it will be for grade 10. Yes, for grade 10 also it will be 4 subjects are there. Science, maths and mental ability there. Science include both bio, physics and chemistry. Subject wise topics are given in the website. Just refer the website there. Okay, right now I have no idea about the cutoff for that. Okay, anything else you want to talk about the books or foundation chemistry? Otherwise, we can wind up the session for today. Okay, I think it is clear for everyone. So, thank you so much all of you. Okay, which chapter? Okay, we have still more times. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Carbon compound. Okay, just post your doubts here. If possible, I will try to solve today. Otherwise, we can discuss in the next class. Carbon and its compounds. It's like a one-shot revision or previous year questions which you need. Okay, you have a doubt in the whole chapter, right? So it is, I think, we can revise the chapter again. You can ask your doubts in that session. Maybe Friday. I will try to take the session on the Friday, 5 to 6. You should be attending the class from 5 to 6 on Friday. Okay, both PYQs as well as this. Okay, we can complete all the chapter in 1 hour. I will try to cover the chapter in 1 hour. So Wednesday, because my timing is on Tuesday, Thursday and Friday only for chemistry lectures. Okay, thank you so much all of you. See you in the next class. I hope you guys enjoyed the session. If you really like the session, hit the like button, subscribe our channel and share this particular session to your friends also. It will be really helpful for you to understand the foundation chemistry books. And if you want to get the session PDF, you need to join our Telegram channel, Infinity Learn 9 and 10 Telegram channel. You will get the session PDF after all the classes from the Telegram channel. So again, thank you so much all of you. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.